Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra air sign. This is November mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe you're dealing with Virgo here. Or Scorpio, maybe you're dealing with. What's going on, Libra? Yeah, it's your card and it's your reading justice. Under the deck, Knight of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Three of Swords, Six of Wands, very, very heavy energy, Seven of Swords. I think you want to leave the situation here or you want to leave this relationship. Yeah, without saying anything because you want success in this relationship but it is not happening the way you want. You are heartbroken here. Definitely this person is not trustworthy, always in and out of your life. Maybe for some third party involved in this relationship. Finally you decided to walk away from this relationship, and for some you want, because for some you want to focus on your finances, and for some there is no stability in this relationship. That's why you decided to walk away. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Six of Pentacles, the Hermit, and King of Wands. And there, in recent past, there is no equal give and take. Your person always treated you as an option. So you fed up with their behavior. Then you decided you want to take your power back. Finally, in recent past, you took your power back after the transformation. Because in recent past, you were go through some transformation. You isolated from all and thinking everything in detail. Then present, death, world, and Four of Cups. Yeah, it is one type of ending between you and your person. Lots of you are in separation or no contact. If you are in relationship for some with this person right now, this is on and off. Yeah, cycles already ended and lots of you are in long distance relationship. You are missing them, but you are okay with that because now you took your power back. Then future, Nine of Swords, Justice, and Queen of Pentacles. So in your life, maybe some part of your life you are getting depressed uh, due to relationship or due to work. Definitely you are getting a lot of thoughts and anxiety here. Nine of Swords and Justice. You want balance in your life, or you want to cut off someone from your life here. You want justice here, Libra. And Queen of Pentacles, definitely you are trying to focus on your money, and in this relationship there is no stability at all. That's why you decided to cut off this person from your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Virgo. So Libra, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Under the deck, Four of Wands. Maybe some of you are in twin flame journey and depth. Yes, they want they want reconciliation here, but it already ended. They want rebirth. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. So let's see their intentions also. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer. Yeah, again, Death. Strong Scorpio here. Under the deck, Four of Pentacles, Five of Cups, the Moon. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here, and Page of Wands. They want to communicate with you, and your person is always in and out of your life, because Page of Wands, player energy. I think one person is mature than other person. One person is elder than other person in this connection. There will be some age difference between you and your person. Yeah, still there are some trust issues between you and your person. But right now your person is missing you. Five of Cups with Four of Pentacles, but they are not expressing or they are not showing their emotions. So the current feelings, Ace of Swords, Ten of Cups, and Nine of Pentacles. So they want to give clarity to you, because a lot of trust issues, maybe a lot of arguments between you and your person. So right now they're thinking about to give clarity, and they want this Ten of Cups with you, and they want stability in this relationship. And their intentions, Chariot, Death, and Seven of Wands. Yeah, they're coming towards you, but they're slow moving energy. They want rebirth in this connection, and your person also going through some transformation, and they're going through a major shift right now. And Seven of Wands, there are some obstacles in this relationship, and they want to overcome those obstacles. They're ready to fight for your love here. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this relationship is headed on. Yes, they want reconciliation. Text is coming, Ace of Pentacles, and they really want to offer long-term commitment here. Yeah, lots of you, some maybe third party involved in this relationship, but right now they're losing their nights over you. They're thinking about you a lot. But long-term commitment is coming here. Then it's up to you to accept or reject. Yeah. So they're coming to offer stability here. This time maybe your person is very serious about you, but you are on your power. Decision is in your hands. Definitely you are on your power here. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Libra. Okay. Wow. One person is manifesting the other person in this connection. Lots of you are in separation, but they want success in this connection. They're wishing for this connection, but you are on your power. You are getting success for your hard work, recognition for your hard work here. Yeah, this person is very, very attracted to you. And for some, a brand new person is also entering in your life. You have options here, Libra. But you are juggling to make decision here. But it's up to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Passion. Mask and reconciliation. Passion, mask, and reconciliation are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from more oracle deck for you, Libra. Work through your fears, new moon in Scorpio. So if you have any fears, first you have to overcome those fears. Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio, balance spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces, meditate and contemplate, new moon in Pisces. Maybe new moon in Pisces or full moon in Pisces is very important for you. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here, meditate and contemplate under the deck. So Libra, this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.